Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making homemade ice cream. Your ingredients that you're going to need today are heavy whipping cream, vanilla flavor, also sweetened condensed milk, and OREO cookies, and also a loaf pan. Okay guys, now you need 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream. You're going to need a whole can of sweetened condensed milk, also a cup and 1/2 of the vanilla flavor, and about 14 to 17 OREO cookies. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and get the 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream and pour it into the bowl. And we're going to get our hand mixer and we're going to stir that until it gets a stiff peak in it. Okay guys, we'll keep stirring. Keep on going. Keep stirring it. Just be patient. And I'll be back to show you the stiff peak. Okay guys, this is what it should look like. Just be patient while you're stirring. Don't over stir because then it'll turn watery again. Okay guys, next I have a spatula. We're going to go ahead and dump our vanilla in and the whole can of the sweetened condensed milk. Now you want to be very careful when you're combining everything together. You want to do it very gently. That way it doesn't deflate. So I'm going to go ahead and remember, very gently. Go ahead and combine everything together. Don't stir it all crazy, because if you do, it's all going to deflate, and we don't want that to happen. By the time we're done, you're going to have delicious cookies and cream ice cream. So I'm going to go ahead and finish combining this together, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, it's all stirred together. Now I went ahead and got a freezer bag, and you want to put all your cookies in there. You could use a rolling pin, anything you can to go ahead and crush them. Okay guys, here are your crushed cookies. Now we're going to mix them in with the ice cream, and you should save a little bit to put on top. Remember guys, when you're mixing the cookies in, be gentle. You don't want to deflate your ice cream. Okay, I'm going to continue mixing that. Next, we're going to put it into our loaf pan. Okay guys, look at that. Once you pour it into your loaf pan, make sure it's nice and flat. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Now I'm going to go in and put the other cookies on top. Look at this guys. Oh my goodness. This is going to be the best ice cream that you've ever eaten. So now we're going to go ahead. You can take plastic wrap and wrap that up, or you can go ahead and take aluminum foil. If you use aluminum foil, you want to go ahead and make sure to wrap it tight to where the aluminum foil is not touching the ice cream. Then you're going to put that in the freezer for 6 hours. Okay guys, I've wrapped mine in saran wrap, and it's ready to go in the freezer. Remember, 6 hours. See you then. Hey guys, I'm back, and our ice cream is done. That's beautiful. Look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and spoon some into the bowl and let you see how that looks, guys. Alright guys, here we go. Look at that. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. Please come back. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. This is NANATHESAUCYCHEF. See you next time.